Hey, what's going on, everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech, and I got another quick tip for you on another one that you can put in your tool bag for helping you secure your crypto, making sure that you're not getting duped in some way or another, or if you are getting duped in the past. I showed you how to revoke any spending that you might have approved on a sus third-party website, as well as disconnect those wallets in the browser extension type applications like a Metamask, right? So that's one or two ways that you can help protect yourself. Now we're going to be talking about spending limits, and there is a way to see what those spending limits are in Metamask. Now, Metamask is a browser extension that once you have it installed would show up in the top right. You click the little puzzle piece, you click on Metamask, and then here you are, right? And you can just click on portfolio, and it would take you to a page where you can see all of your assets. And there's different tabs on the overview section, which is where we are, that has tokens, NFTs, DeFi, transactions, and spending caps. Spending caps is where you want to go because that will show you all the transactions that you currently have pending. Even if it's already been spent, they will still sit there. So scroll through there, look at the list, and what you want to do is you want to click on Revoke, right? For example, this one right here on the BNB chain off of PancakeSwap, we just want to revoke that. Metamask will pop up and ask you to switch networks. So you switch, and then you go back and you click Revoke again, and Metamask will pop up asking you to revoke. Now, this will cost some gas, okay, depending on the network. So obviously, if it's on an Ethereum ecosystem, the gas might not be worth revoking it, but you just got to pick and choose. It just depends on the third-party website you were interacting with as well as the provider, because some of them are legit, and you might be revoking a good third party, whereas some of these are very sus. So anyways, if I wanted to, I would approve, and you can see how much BNB it would actually cost me. If I grab that number right there and we just Google whatever it is, BNB to USD, you will see how much it would cost you in fiat, because that's important to some of you. It will cost me 9 cents just to revoke this spending right here. Is that really necessary? Maybe not. But I just wanted to show you that in the spending limits, you might have a whole bunch of them that you don't even realize. And then when you go to revoke it, it will mess you up. Now, I'm going to hit revoke on this Ethereum one. It's going to make me switch to the Ethereum mainnet. And when I click on it again, let's see how much gas it's going to cost me just to revoke this amount of spending, which has not been initiated. $1.36 in fiat, right? That's unfortunate. It's only a $15 trade. So to paying $1.34 in fees just to revoke that spending is kind of unfortunate. Some of these you may want to let go, but some of them you might want to double check and make sure that, hey, you know, what am I messing around? Like Minu coin. We talked about it on the channel. The product has since pretty much died, kind of, sort of. So these two spending limits, I could probably go ahead and revoke and get rid of it. It won't cost me much because I'm on the BNB chain, whereas if I did it on the Ethereum network, it would definitely cost me some extra cash, or $1, $2, depending on the time of day in which I do it. But spending limits is where, or spending caps is where I'm talking about. It's a spending cap. A spending cap is a set permission granted specific smart contracts allowing to spend or utilize a defined amount of tokens from an owner's wallet. You can revoke these permissions at any time. Another thing too is when you interact with these third-party applications, when you go to complete the transaction, you will notice that in the upper right, the spending limit is like this really large number, and it's in red. You can't miss it. It shows it. It's at the very top, and you might be only trying to spend, 0.05 BNB, but the spending limit's, like 300 trillion or some weird crap like that. If you see that, try to bring it down. Copy whatever you were trying to initiate the transaction. So if I am only trying to spend 0.005 of my BNB, and then there's the fee, then maybe I might do 0.06 just to make sure I cover the fee, but no more than that. So that way this contract, if it is sus, does not have permission to go ahead and spend all of my funds. That's where a lot of people get caught, is they don't pay attention. They just click okay, and yes, like my parents do when installing an application by accident on their computer on Windows. Everybody just clicks through things and they don't read what it is. They don't expand it, and they don't look in the advanced section or verify the smart contracts. Always verify your smart contracts. Always be careful. Check out my previous videos about revoking access or disconnecting your wallets from these sus third-party websites. And I hope this spending caps section in Metamask, because it's a great job by the team, not all applications do this, helps you out in some form or fashion. But that's going to do it for this quick video. Please do me a favor on the way out. Hit the like button. Make sure to get subscribed. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date, as well as check out additional links in the description to help support the channel and what we do here. And I appreciate every single one of you. Have a wonderful day. Take care. I'll catch you next one.